Ponder with purpose, yet when the moment to act emerges, cast aside hesitation and embark upon the path of resolve. Martin Luther King Jr. Building Wealth, The Path to Financial Freedom. Chapter 1, Video Number 1. The Money Game. The game of money is an uphill battle where the odds are against us. Many of us are playing on the hardest difficulty and still don't fully understand the rules of the game. Our debts often exceed our savings, making us uncertain about our financial future and unsure if and when we will achieve financial freedom. This is a universal struggle, whether we belong to older generations like our parents, the baby boomers, or the young millennials and Generation Z. Understanding the intricacies of the money game and identifying our opponents is crucial to success. Relying solely on traditional advice, such as getting a great education and getting a job, is no guarantee of victory in this game. Long gone are the days of job security, stable careers, fixed salaries, and predictable promotions. Earlier generations, like our grandparents, had it relatively easier. They lived a mindset that served them reasonably well, with modest joys and sorrows. They didn't have to consider other avenues because life was simpler back then, without ubiquitous technologies like television, the internet, and social media. Consumerism had not yet peaked, and student loans were a new concept. Life was much less complicated. However, the financial landscape we find ourselves in today is fundamentally different. Without a modern financial plan, you'll be wondering how to increase your savings, negotiate a higher salary, and pay off student loans, credit card debt, and other financial obligations faster.